Hello everyone, and in our previous session, as we have discussed the things related to V1, that is all about what we have to do in our day-to-day life. In that, like in detail, we have discussed the things related to V1 and even how we need to proceed, how we can tell about our daily routine. Then after in this particular session, we are going to proceed with the so-called V2. I mean, if you have to deal with the past, so how you can deal? What are the things that you have to proceed with? So first of all, the first thing is first and foremost thing, in order to proceed with the V2, in order to proceed with the past, what we require is we have to learn only the V2 form. I mean, even if it is related to yesterday, day before yesterday, whatever the things, we just have to deal with V2. And V2 is nothing but, let me share the screen with you. Here we go. It is all about something that we have discussed in the past. Here we go. So hope the screen is visible to
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Thank you. So, now we are heading towards the V2. V2 is nothing but, now first let me take you through this particular graph. In this picture, the V1, it always tells about every day, whereas V2, it talks about yesterday. In order to tell that something that happened in the past, it tells about that. And moreover, in order to proceed with all those things, you just have to use. So today we'll talk about V2, and in case of V2, as you can see, bought. Bought means something which is already done. Already I purchased. It can be yesterday, day before yesterday, 5 days ago, 5 years ago, whatever. Even came. Came, it's like I came to your class, or I came to the institute. So these things. So in order to express these particular things, we just have to use the V2 terms. And now let me tell you what are the live examples related to V2. Let's say if your friend asked you that actually yesterday I came to your home and you were not there, then as usual you can say that actually I woke up. I mean, I woke up at 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. Then I got fresh up. Then I took my breakfast. Or even you may say that I went to a restaurant. Then I took my breakfast. Whatever the things that you want to express, simply you can express with the help of V2. Let me show you. Yeah. Like I took my breakfast. Then after I just took the movie tickets, then followed by I went to theater. So in this way, you can express the things. Then again, you may say like I watched a movie. Even you may say I enjoyed only V2. I enjoyed the movie. Then after, like even you can say, then after I came back to my hostel or home. Okay, then full stop. After that, I went to my I went to hotel or restaurant, or even you may say restaurant with my friend, with my friend, sorry, with my friend, and we took our dinner. So in this way, you can specify. Then again, after that, I came back. Then I just surfed on an internet for some time. Then further, I just took rest, and all of after some time, I took some water. and I went to bed. So in this way, you can express about your past event. Further, even if you want to make the sentences using the same, it's like related to, as you can see here, I bought vegetables yesterday. So here what I'm using, the same concept what we have used using these 7 sentences. I bought vegetables, we bought vegetables, the same concept that we have seen. So instead of buy, what I'm adding, bought. And then about yesterday. Even in case of instead of yesterday, even you can write 5 days ago, 6 days ago, these things. Now, let me tell you some other event related to past where you can utilize and V2 related. So apart from yesterday, even you can tell about the event. I mean, if you went somewhere, for example, let's say if you went on a journey or on a picnic, then even you can say, uh, like we booked uh, tickets, we booked tickets for, let's say, Araku Valley. Sorry, Araku Valley. Okay. So first, like even you can say on the first day, what we did. First, let me tell you the things like on the first day, like we just boarded the bus. So even you can say we boarded the bus and we went till Vizag. And during our journey, we enjoyed a lot. So only we two. What I mean to say, only we two and only we two. So we enjoyed a lot. We just watched a movie. Even we shouted a lot and even like along with our friends. Then like on the like after 8 to 10 hours, we reached to Vizag. There we took rest, and the next morning here, the next morning or the next day. Okay, the next day we just started our journey by the local bus, and we reached to the Araku Valley. There we saw the waterfall. We enjoyed. Then we went near to the the tea plantation area over there, like we have clicked the photos. So in this way further, and even we went to the nearby temple or the mountain area over there. Even we click the pictures from there. And then there is a small zoo kind of thing. So even we went, even we saw the tribes over there. And then again we enjoyed a lot, and by evening again we came to Vizag. And there we stayed the whole night. And then we booked our tickets towards the Hyderabad, and we came back. So this is how like you can express about your journey even in the past, even 5 years ago, 10 years ago, whatever the things might be. Simply you have to use only V2. Hope you all are getting the point. So what you need to do is that with the help of V2, you can express any story. I mean, like in our upcoming sessions, I will let you know how you can narrate the story. But after completion of V4 and will plus V1, I'm going to tell you those things. Okay. So even you can complete this like the next day. And there is a small task that you need to do. You have to write your own journey, like what are the places that you have traveled, like your own journey you need to write. Like for example, if you went to any particular place, or in case if you have been to any places in Hyderabad like Charminar, Golconda, or some other places. So you need to say. And how you can start, like we started in the morning, and we just took the tickets, and then we just started in the bus. So in that way you can proceed further as well. Okay. So hope like you all are getting the point. So in this way you can proceed. So what is your task for the day is like you just have to proceed with your journey, or along with this, like even you need to tell about the so-called your yesterday's routine. So this is how you need to proceed, and all these things you need to share. Okay.